Imagine this. On the left, a 1-year-old baby full of life and promise. On the right, a 100-year-old elder, rich in wisdom yet carrying the marks of time. Let's journey inside their bodies to see what makes them so different. First, dive into the infant's world. Cells are bustling with activity, dividing rapidly to grow and repair the young body. DNA strands are pristine, with long telomeres protecting them, ensuring each cell division is smooth and efficient. The mitochondria, those tiny powerhouses, are buzzing with energy, fueling every tiny heartbeat and breath. Blood vessels are elastic, allowing blood to flow freely, delivering nutrients everywhere. The heart pumps strong, its rhythm steady and sure. In the lungs, alveoli expand easily, capturing oxygen with each breath. Bones are growing, their plates open and eager to lengthen. Muscles are thick, ready to learn how to crawl, then walk. And the brain, oh, the brain. It's a firework of activity, neurons sparking, forming dense connections as the baby learns and discovers the world. Now let's peek inside the elder's body. Cell division has slowed, like an old clock winding down. DNA shows signs of wear, telomeres have shortened like frayed shoelaces. Mitochondria struggle, sometimes flickering, sometimes faltering. Blood vessels have stiffened with plaques sneaking into the arteries, making the heart work harder. The lungs have lost their spring, alveoli collapsing here and there, making each breath a bit more of a chore. Bones have thinned, osteoporosis has set in, making them fragile. Muscles have shrunk, the strength of youth faded into memory. The brain, once a bustling city, now sees fewer connections, neurons less eager to fire. Inflammation lingers, and the immune system, once a fierce protector, has weakened, leaving the body more vulnerable. This is the story of life, a biological timeline from the vigor of infancy to the quiet resilience of old age. As we age, the body's ability to repair itself declines, a natural march influenced by cellular processes. From rapid cell division and vibrant energy in youth to the slow, measured pace of age, each stage tells a tale of change, adaptation, and the inevitable passage of time. Understanding this journey helps us appreciate the incredible complexity and beauty of life at every age.